and good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I am delighted to welcome you all to the 6th International Procurement and Supply Chain Conference 2021, presented by Blue Ocean Conferences. Please welcome to the stage His Excellency Saud Salim Al Mazroui, the Director of Hamriyah Free Zone Authority.
Good morning, everyone. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Distinguished guests, valuable investors and partners, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. I would like to welcome you all to the 6th International Procurement and Supply Chain Conference. Hamriyah Free Zone Authority is honored to be the title sponsor of this distinguished event. This falls within its commitment to become a key contributor to the UAE strategy to sustain the prosperity of supply chain and strengthen regional and international partnerships to ensure the smooth flow of goods and services. The UAE has a long history of establishing free zones to attract FDI. From the mid-80s to now, all the UAE free zones have flourished with international companies keen to take advantage of the commercial benefits it offers and proximity to the major regional markets. Easy access to world-class logistics has allowed free zone companies to grow both regionally and internationally, further establishing the UAE as a global logistic powerhouse. It won't be an exaggeration to mention that the UAE today is the nerve center of the global supply chain, and the role played by the free zones in this regard is undeniable. The UAE has impressively transformed itself from a logistic hub into a supply chain nerve center in the past recent years. A lot of this credit goes to the leadership, vision, and particular attention paid to this vital sector. Furthermore, there are multiple reasons driving this transformation and many ways in which the UAE is acting as a redistribution gateway for multinational corporations. From its integrated free zones to fast custom clearance and strategic location in the east-west trade routes, all of this has contributed to this transformation. The success of economic diversification efforts, compounded with the effective implementation of national logistics plans, ease of doing business, and the digital transformation initiatives undertaken by the public and private sector, are recognized to be some of the key contributing factors. The UAE development efforts in the logistic industry are reflected with the release of the new report titled Agility Emerging Market Logistics Index 2020, which observed that the country's score has improved in all the three sub-indexes: domestic opportunities, international opportunities, and business fundamentals. The UAE has been featured for the first time in the top 10 of the above three sub-indexes. It shows significant improvement in business fundamentals and has moved up to rank 9 in the international logistics opportunities. The UAE government is also developing a railway network to connect seaports, distribution centers, major transportation hubs, free zone areas, and freight terminals. In fact, the railway development is expected to speed up the growth of the country's logistic industry. But that's not all. The UAE international airports are currently on the world's 6 busiest spots in terms of cargo traffic, and UAE ports are among the top 10 biggest container ports. Although global supply chains present several challenges, there are also providing compelling advantages, such as more outsourcing options, labor costs, and opportunity to expand internationally. Global logistics during the epidemic and beyond. The year 2020 saw COVID-19 challenge governments, economies, healthcare systems, businesses, and individuals. And the logistic industry has no exception, as operators scrambled to keep essential supplies moving considering transport disruptions. Movement restrictions and volatility supply chain, but the logistic industry, by shifting their business models to meet the dramatic shift in global patterns and consumer behavior, adapted quickly to meet the worldwide demand for service continuity. Industrial players repurposed their fleet capabilities and re-engineered their operations to accommodate the shifting trade and consumer patterns amidst the most challenging circumstances. Companies had to embrace innovation solutions to help overcome difficulties and maintain operations. One of the biggest triggers was the global surge in e-commerce. Imposed social distancing measures and curfews flowed a mass switch to online shopping. Traditional brick-and-mortar brands started experimenting and restructuring products offering to meet new consumer demands, whether they meant going digital and selling online, exploring the direct-to-consumer model, or working creatively to take an experiment-based business into people's homes. According to the report by the management consultancy Kerner Middle East, worldwide retail e-commerce sales expected to reach $50 billion by 2025. This indicates a steady upward trend, which is heavily reliant on a comprehensive logistics infrastructure. Even the Chamber of Commerce report stated that the value of the UAE retail e-commerce market hit a record $3.9 billion in 2020. The UAE logistics industry has been resilient and vibrant during the lockdown period, ensuring uninterrupted supply chain to stave off any shortage of essential goods and services. The determination of the supply chain in the UAE is due to a significant investment in logistic facility and infrastructure over many decades. As a result, supermarket shelves have remained fully stocked in the UAE and throughout most of the MENA region. The 20 billion dirham UAE logistics sector, which is expected to contribute 8% to the UAE economy in 2021, has largely benefited from the country's free zones and massive infrastructure investment. Our contribution to this important event is also part of our determination efforts to introduce Hamriyah Free Zone services and facilities, which are the most comprehensive and competitive among the free zones in the Middle East and Africa. Thanks to the unrivaled benefits it provides within the competitive, flexible, and attractive environment for investment, Hamriyah Free Zone is home to a considerable number of companies specialized in warehousing services, supply chain, distribution, transport, sea, air, and land freight. By virtue of its world-class facilities and strategic location that provides easy access to global markets, the Hamriyah Free Zone today is housing over 6,500 companies from 160 countries. Hamriyah Free Zone offers investors the opportunity to open companies in diverse sectors like oil and gas, industrial manufacturing, food park, maritime industry, logistics, and accelerator hub. Each business activity is equipped with a wide range of solutions. Our team of experts is at hand to ensure you achieve high economic of scale with operation ease. With a mission to be the most cost-effective, efficient, and profitable free zone in the region, and with a commitment to innovation and excellence, the possibility with Hamriyah Free Zone are endless. As one of the very few VAT-designated free zones, the only free zone to date with a dedicated food park, a developed logistic park with a ready-to-move warehousing with multiple options of various sizes and power loads. Hamriyah Free Zone is the preferred destination for global leaders in all sectors, having set up in the free zone companies like Lamprel, ArcelorMittal, JAC, EDNOC, Seox, CPOM, among many more. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to end my speech by sharing a small video about Hamriyah Free Zone. Thank you all and wish everyone a pleasant, successful day.
To stay around, Your Excellency, please stay, because I would now like to invite Dr. Sathia Menon, our CEO of Blue Ocean, and of course Mr. Mohammed Al-Ali, our Managing Director and Head of Cash Management and Vice Chairman of Blue Ocean, for a felicitation.